Meet Wattsugar, the world's first all-in-one 60-watt charger made for every Apple product. Wattsugar is small, compact, and made to go wherever you go. It's MFI certified, so it can safely charge your Apple Watch, your AirPods, your iPad, your MacBook, or your smartphone at the same time through just one outlet. Did you forget to bring your Apple Watch charger? Don't worry about it. Wattsugar charges it magnetically so it'll never fall off. And compatible with Generation 1 through 5 Apple Watches. Need to charge more than one device at one time? Wattsugar charges up to 4 devices at the same time. Don't have access to outlets? Wattsugar charges your smartphones as a wireless power bank. Don't ever worry about a lack of power again. Wattsugar puts a stop to your cable clutter. It brings you one charger for every Apple device. Wattsugar, sweet and small, all-in-one 60-watt USB-C charger.